0.fx. So we wait, we trap, and we strike, and you can be checking at this upper. You can see 0.xlk, APC, XYZ, and CE. It has a meaning. It has all at a meaning. But check this analysis. I've done the video before, but since I did not save it, so I'll be brushing through it again for the purpose, because as long as I did video, so I want to be, this is a new thing I just learned from my mentor, and I've been using it for a couple of times, days now and weeks. It has been working. So now let me remove everything. So I'm starting from monthly. I'll be fast with this, I don't want it to be long. So I'm starting from monthly. So on monthly, I'll be using ABC. So on my monthly ABC, this is the checklist of the ABC. Just go through it. We have A is higher time frame, key level or sweep. B, candle close below the sweep or key level. C, one time frame lower, break of structure. The one time frame lower is 1 day. The higher time frame sweep or key level is monthly and weekly. So now we have what for monthly now, because this is a new month that just starts. We have this sweep, right? We have sweep. We have this sweep. Me, I love using sweep on my higher time frame. I love using sweep, so I'll just use this sweep. So we have this sweep, and we have this key level here that I'm expecting price to come and do what? Take out after that sweep. So people using monthly rejects monthly. This is a monthly level that got rejected. Monthly rejects monthly. Monthly rejects monthly. Sorry, I want to be fast with this. I don't want it to be long, and I want it to be educative. Monthly rejects monthly also. If you love what you are seeing, like you love it, subscribe. Click on the subscribe button so that you can receive more notification and more lessons like this. So monthly rejects monthly. So we see A has been confirmed, B has been confirmed. So now let's go to weekly also to check what is happening on weekly. Where is the month? You can see that level I said I'm expecting price to pick out. So weekly too, I'll be deleting this monthly reject monthly because my issue was weekly to do was sweat. Liquidity, all these are liquidity. All these like this, they are liquidity. Yeah, some people can call it trendline liquidity. They are all liquidity, trendline liquidity that needs to be taken out completely with these two. So now weekly, now we now go to daily. So daily, now what do you want to see on the daily, right? What do you want to see on the daily? You want to see, I use this to explain something, don't make it confusing. You want to see a breakout, one time frame lower, BOS. Changing this to line. If you change it to line, the current breakout is this. The current breakout is that level, which is I call it BOS. Can call it BOS, can call it BO, which means breakout. Now changing it back to candle. ABC criteria has been met. ABC criteria has been met. Like it has been met, confirmed. ABC criteria has been met. Key level reject, break of structure. So now I want to work on XYZ. So what is the checklist for the XYZ? I have it here too. Okay. XYZ is execution, that is direct entry. Like after all this has been met, you can do a direct entry, which is the XYZ. So when you meet the direct entry, you can do confirmation engine, which is CE. If you love this video, subscribe, please subscribe so that I can have more followers. And there's also a Telegram link on the description that I can join. There are also a lot of lovely traders there that I can learn from, ask questions. I will definitely reply. We see people on the group that will reply you as well. So now that the ABC has been met, like it has been checked, confirmed, so we want to look at XYZ, which is the execution. And the XYZ execution, we have, like, I do go with the Y first before the X. Y is create FEG or imbalance. We need to see an FEG or imbalance after the break of structure on this one time frame lower. After this break of structure, so we need to check along it. Do we have an imbalance above, like at the top, like this, around this area of the break of structure here? We need to check if we have an imbalance. So we will check. If you want to check your imbalance, you will check below. Sorry guys, your imbalance, you will check below this level here. No, you will check above it like this. So now which looking for imbalance? Yeah, I've got an imbalance. Yes, this is an imbalance. to explain one or two things to you how I go about entering that trade. So now this is FEG, can call it FEG, can call it imbalance, any one of it that you find suitable for you is okay. So this is FEG now. Y has been checked. We now need a key level value before it break. That means a key level is a key level, a MSNR key level that got broken. Let's just put it in that way. So now these are level here that got broken, right? Because these are the resistance level and it was broken. You can see this level now is where price used to do what? To pump this downward. So now price pumping this downward now. No, we have this level from where from our weekly we are putting our eyes on. So you can do what? Put your give us the direct entry once all that has been met. And if you remember I said it's no one thing, the way the Z liquidity, you have to have an internal liquidity on the Z. So close to this key level, we have this. I just need to zoom in so that you people can see it. We have this. This is a liquidity. This is a liquidity. This is what also a liquidity. Any one of it. Both of them are what? A liquidity. Now that has been met. If you want to do your direct entry at this key level now, put in your like this. We can target all the way. You know, on our weekly we have this level, right? But to be on the silver side first, you can target it like this, or you can also be on the silver side using this level first. Let's price or this level here first. Let's price take out those weeks, and you'll be using what? You can use 20 pips stop loss. So we can see we having, I'm sorry guys, we'll be putting it here. So we having 20 pips. That's increasing. Let's use 20 pips. You can see we having 20 pips stop loss is what? Price still contain it, right? It's still inside it. Like price still contain it, it's still inside it. ABC checked. Execution, which is the direct entry to is what? Is checked. Direct entry to is what? Is checked. But we need to go, if you see something like this on the daily direct like this, don't take the entry direct for this daily. Go to 4 hours to do a refinement. Refine that level. Don't do anything, just refine it on the 4 hours. So changing this to line, you just want to refine it on the 4 hours. You can use this level and you can use this level here. So but I'm picking this last level because it's still inside the FEG. And now pushing it up, targeting your 20 pips stop loss. You can see there is enough room like on the 4 hours, and you can see what price is doing. Price is doing what? Push it down already. So now XYZ has been met. We have XYZ has been met. Like the price, what we are expecting, price has already given to us what we are expecting. Our direct entry to price has tapped into it and is pushing to the downside. Now that two criteria has been met, if you miss these two, what will you do next? You will wait for a confirmation entry, and you waiting for a confirmation entry will be on what? Will be on either 2 hours or 1 hour. When you don't see anything on 2 hours, you use 1 hour and 30 minutes. That is where the CE comes in. You can see ABC we use it, XYZ we use it. Now we are using CE. You can see that I'm not just putting slogan is what is happening. So now on 2 hours now we want to look for a confirmation entry. Let me bring out the confirmation checklist for you guys so that you guys can follow alongside. This is confirmation entry. This is it. So on my confirmation entry, what do we want to do? See in this confirmation entry. You know, I said if you did not say anything clear on 2 hours, that's when you use 1 hour and 30 minutes. But the C means wait for break of structure or a breakout. The E means one can do liquidity close to a MSNR key level, which is either a level, a V level, or an OC level. And I said wait for break of structure, which is wait for break of structure before confirming the liquidity. You need to see a break of structure before confirming a one candle liquidity. You just need to have that in the back of your mind. So now we're changing this to line on 2 hours. Zoom in because we want to look for a confirmation entry. So now we have this break of structure clear here. Here is very clear, very obvious, very like something we are seeing. Break of structure, right? BOS. We have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. Now change this to what? Candle. We changing this to candle now. You know I said break of structure after a one candle liquidity. Like follow this. Let's change it to like we have this. We have this level here, but don't let me use this. Let me use candlestick. Zoom in, widen your distance very well so that you see what you are doing, so that you won't make mistakes, you won't make mistakes. Widen it. Break of structure already. Check, confirm. I said one candle liquidity close to an MSNR level. Where is an MSNR level? Above this break of structure. We are seeing this open close here. Close, right? So I'll call this OC level. This is an open close level here. Finish. Where is one candle liquidity close to this OC level? This is it here. This is what? That is it here. That is what our liquidity. So I just hope you guys understand. But if you did not understand, ask question under the comment box. I'm going to reply to it. And also, if you love what you have been hearing, the lecture, if you love it, if it's helpful to you, subscribe so that I can subscribe and click on the bell notification button so that I can have more notification once this comes up. So now we have this OC level, right? In one candle liquidity. Changing this to line chart, I can say I have this level too. I just purposely want to mark this level in case this price, this is a level that was broken, like price did not respect it, break and move up. Why can't I use this up part? It's because it has been used. It's no more fresh. This is it. Price has used it already. I'm sorry guys. Price has used it already. That's why I'm not using that level yet. I just need to, because some people will be like, why don't you use that up level? Price has done it. I've used that up level already. So the level that price has not used is this. One candle liquidity, close to it. This is another, if you show me, you see this is another one candle close to it again. This is another one liquidity. Okay guys are following. So now what did I want to do here? I just want to place my entry direct. I can set sell limit and rest. Once price comes there, price will trigger it. If price wants to use this level, price will definitely trigger it and come down. But once price did not trigger it and I see something like this, break of structure below like this again, if I see something like this, price has already given us another new break of structure here. And price giving us a new break of structure here, meaning we won't be using this level again. We'll be looking for the next candle to form in liquidity and the rest. Hope you understand. We'll be looking for one candle. That means the next 2 hours candle that will form should, after this break of structure down, the next 2 hours candle that will form should act as a liquidity, and the following 2 hours candle will now be the candle that will tap in and then start rejecting. So I just use that to explain something. So now what will I do now? I'm selling, I'm still selling, so I'll put my price here, target. I'm using 15, yeah, I'm using 15 and I can use 20. This is the liquidity level, yes, this level. Yes, that level it is. Can just make it come down little bit, because sometimes because of your broker or this thing, sometimes you see that you have a lot of misentry because price will not trigger this initially like this. You just close to it little and the next thing price will just start selling down. So just bring it maybe 2 pips or 3 pips down little bit. So now what will I be doing now? And I'll be targeting all the way, my weekly time frame, this was where we target when we were that daily, but these 2 hours now I'll be targeting it all the way you can use it all the way to this level for you to do what, leave the chart in time. But I already have one full level that is what that is selling already. So I just want to use this. It's called I'm stacking my position. I just want to stack the position. So I'll be using this level because this is a key level. Why am I using this position? Price can get to this level and decide to go up like this, look for another level there that's going to tap in, break down again. Price can do something like that too. But I just want to catch first TP. This is my TP1, but price is still coming all the way down to this level here, even more than this level self. But for us to be on the safer side, so this is my words level TP1 checked out. So what will you do? This is okay enough, 5 words. And now 1:5 is okay. If you are risking $100 on this, you'll be getting like $500. So I think it's okay enough. If you are risking $10, you'll be getting like $50. So it's a good profit. It's a good profit. So but me, I'll be doing what? I'll be risking 12 pips. So if I'm risking my 12 pips, if I'm risking like $120, I'll be making like 120 times 6. I just want to do a rough calculation so that you guys can see it. Hold on guys. 120 times 6. If I'm risking $120, so I'll be having like $720 in profit. Is that not good enough? And if I'm risking like $10, I'll be having, if I'm risking like $12, I'll be having $72 in profit. Still good, still makes sense, very okay. So that is that about it. Enjoy your day and don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button, like, share, ask your question below. And below this video in the description box there is a Telegram page, Telegram link you can click and join. It's my page. You meet also lovely traders there, and also I don't drop signals. I'm not a fan of signals, but you learn from the group. I don't drop signals. I just teach. Go and practice the teaching, practice it on yourself. If you have a question, ask and we'll see how we can go about it. But I don't drop signals. So enjoy your day and have a blessed profit day ahead.